How to remove Lovable Watermark from your website or app. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. So basically, if you have a watermark showing on your website or app or whatever you have created with Lovable, you have an option to actually remove it if you did actually upgrade, and it is very simple to find. So what you want to do is basically just click on the top left here, which is going to say the name of your project, and you simply just want to find the settings tab here, and you want to click on that. Make sure you stick to the general settings, or basically wherever you find the project settings, because it may be looking a little bit different for you. So just find project settings, and what you want to do is just scroll down until you find the publishing settings here, and you will find Hide Lovable Badge, and you simply just want to toggle this on, and it's just going to basically be removed from your published work. Now, if you want to deploy it to Vercel or Netlify, in that case, you can just play around with some code to remove it that way. So you may need to, it really just depends on the type of platform that you want to move it to, on how to actually replace it with something else or completely remove it. But generally speaking, this is the actual way of removing the Lovable badge from your website. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.